if these events do not occur, we have no way of testing the system and making these improvements. It's unfortunate the videos, the particular video people are complaining about circulating, and the person who posted such a video will definitely be brought to book. The Honorable Minister has asked for that official to be pitched out and punished. The airline, I see this morning, have also issued a statement that that staff will be punished. On our part, we will ensure to see the end of it, to ensure that there's fairness on every side. So there's no escaping it for that member of staff. There's no escaping it for security agencies at the airport who may have not been very efficient throughout this process. However, I want us to still understand that from the regulatory perspective, the crux of the issue is on really passenger behavior. If that didn't happen, a lot of these other things would not have occurred as well. So it's important, and we'll continue to do our part, by way of continuing passenger education, so that people know the behavior, what's expected of them at the airports and on aircraft. The problem we have been having is that despite all the awareness campaigns, passengers seem more obsessed with their rights than their responsibilities. And it's a factor that we hope to see change, because these same passengers, if the same incidents that they claim provoked them to such actions here happened abroad, they would still not have behaved in the way that they have acted here. So we need to start, complying better with laws in our own country.
So one more from me. Because of the weight of the offense of the first part that we saw by the Fuji musician Kwamwon, shouldn't the CAA be concerned that ValueJet is not pressing charges? And in that regard, shouldn't the authority be asking ValueJet why it is not pressing charges?
Well, see, there are layers to these things. The airline has a right to, go the legal way. But where they have not done so, the CAA, because you see, airlines are businesses. Sometimes some of them, for the sake of image and other reasons, could decide, look, patronage, continuous patronage could say, you know what, we can just simply mediate these issues. It's a right for them. Even in the case of the Ibom Air passengers, they still has an opportunity, of course, to mediate with the airline. If all parties involved say, look, we don't want this to go any further, the airline can still withdraw its case, via the state, of course. But if it's not a crime for the airline to not have, proceeded to court. The CAA is here, we've done our part. If Ibom Air had not taken it to court, by yesterday evening, the CAA would have submitted a petition to the Attorney General and Inspector General of Police to prosecute that passenger as well. So both ways, the right things have been done.